Vernier calipers, the primary instrument for measurement. You have two scales known as main scale and vernier scale. The observed reading with the help of this instrument is main scale reading plus vernier scale reading into least count. This will be known as observed value. Observed value. One precaution has to be taken here, that we see which division of vernier scale is coincident with the main scale. That becomes vernier scale reading. Now, this you have observed reading. What is zero error? Zero error means the two zeros are not coincident. Then you would say that there is zero error. If both the zeros are coincident, means they are along the same line, you would say there is no zero error. If you find that zero of vernier scale has crossed the zero of main scale, you call it positive error. And when zero of vernier scale is lagging behind, you call it negative error. Now, how to get the reading for zero error? See, this is the case of positive error. Again, both the jaws are clamped. There is no object in between. It is the initial case. So before taking other readings, we clamp the two jaws and we find that zero has crossed this positive error. You see which scale of vernier, which division of vernier scale is coinciding with any division of main scale. The division of main scale is not important. You have to focus on vernier scale division that is coincident. Here you see in this figure, the sixth division of vernier scale is coinciding with the main scale division. So reading of zero error here will be 6. But how to go ahead to find the accurate zero error? You multiply this reading 6 with the least count, that is 0.1 millimeter. So this becomes 0.6 millimeter. This is the positive error. To get the accurate or the correct reading, what you'll do is observed reading, observed minus positive error. This is the way to find the correct reading. Similarly, just see this zero of vernier scale is lagging behind. So here we say that the zero error is negative. But again, just to make it crystal clear, we have chosen the same situation. Here also it is the sixth division of vernier scale coinciding with some division of main scale. Again, the vernier scale reading for zero error is 6 here. But now to get the correct reading while dealing with negative error, we subtract the reading obtained from 10. So this becomes 10 minus 6. The reading here obtained is 6. 10 minus 6 into least count, that becomes 0.4. Then in order to get the correct reading here, the observed reading plus negative error. Negative error. So you have to remember two things. Positive error will always be subtracted from the observed reading, whereas the negative error is always added in the reading obtained.